Hey everybody, welcome to week 2 of the course here. Got my weekly scenery here, and I think most of you have been in the courses with me before, but I do the scenery, and then I also do the little inspiration. Just remind you that the analogies like being in a race or being in a marathon. The thing about marathons is it's not about winning the race; it's about finishing the race. So in your schoolwork, same thing applies. Um, So we'll move on here and go into that course room. Last week, those of you that were in there um, in the discussion, good in the discussion, but we need to make sure we're staying. Everybody's in. Get that first discussion posted by Wednesday, so everybody has time to interact and check on it and so forth, and then reply by Sunday. So make sure you're replying by Sunday. Anything after Sunday wouldn't count because the discussion's over. So I mean, if you're not so the discussion is an interaction exercise. So that's why you have to have that part in by Sunday. So the homework assignments, the couple I've seen, good job on there. So no issues there. Upcoming homework. Let me see here, because this course is different. And I mentioned last week's video. Your assignments are different. You're doing an analysis every week, so you need to make sure, like in week 1, that you've gone over all these readings in here that explains the different aspects of doing these weekly case analysis. Also, in week 2, okay, so your week 2 presentation, oops, get down there, has this, and this goes into the breakdown of the how to do a case now. So for your project, I'm sorry, whoops, wrong one. For your project, you're gonna, your paper will need to be formatted. All right, so you have this outline here, this format. So that's how for the case, for the project, it needs to be that way. The other thing you have this week, you got a reading on the SWOT analysis. Again, that's another part of how things are done, so you need to be clear on that. And then, of course, you got your next the paper for this week, the Apple case. Last week you had the Adobe case. So again, this is a different course. You don't have quizzes every week, but you have to do papers every week. So you got to be reading these, and then you're basically doing an analysis of it and answering particular questions. Same thing in the discussion. You're going to find a find a case, and then you're going to talk about it based in like each week might be a little bit different. So like this upcoming week, you're discussing the culture of the company, how it impacts how the company operates. So so again, a little bit different. Some people think it's a very easy course because there's no quizzes, there's no anything like that, but other people find it very difficult because you have to write, you have to read, and then analyze, interpret what you're reading, and then put it into a 1-2 page report there. So again, you don't have a final, like I say, it's all papers and projects. So that's pretty much it. If you have any problems, you need to get in touch with me. You need to be watching these videos every week, and for anything pointers I put out there for you. And we need to be getting into discussions and everything, not putting it off. So the only other thing I'll do here is give you my test question I do every week. Those of you new to the course or new to me, I do a test question, so I know if you actually watch the video or not, because some people say I watch the video but you don't answer the question. So but anyway, so this is my grandson here. Just let me know what's going on there, and that'll take care of it. So you guys have a great week, and get in touch if you need anything. Take care.